What is up, YouTube? Trains Unlimited here with another YouTube video. In this episode, I will be running trains around the layout, and the engine of the day is my BNSF ES44AC. The engines that you'll be seeing in the video are my BNSF ES44AC, Santa Fe ES44AC, Canadian Pacific AC6000, and my CSX AC6000. The BNSF and Santa Fe units are powered with Lionel Legacy features, and the CSX and Canadian Pacific locomotives are just dummies. The two on the front pull the whole freight train around the layout. So you saw in my last video that I am moving, and I've had to box up 46 cars already, and I still have plenty more to put up, and I will slowly be putting stuff up, and my videos might get a little scarce with quality and everything because I will be putting up cars and scenery. Here are the two dummy engines at the back of the train. First we have the Canadian Pacific AC6000, then we have a CSX AC6000. These are great models, and they work perfectly on the layout for big freight trains. As you know from watching the last video, I am going to be using a different kind of track. First off, I will be using a Gargraves straights and also curves. These are great track pieces, and they absolutely look realistic, and also the straights can bend and fit track pieces. Second thing I wanted to show you was these Ross custom switches. So I have gotten these from my dad. This is an 042 switch with a switch box right here, and this is I am not sure what this radius is, but it is a large, I think it is a regular switch that is in their catalog, and these switches work great. I've already tested them out, and I'm thinking about putting them in the yard and also buying a few of the newer ones. But mostly the layout will be hand thrown switches because these boxes cost quite a bit plus the switch. So I'm not looking to put in that kind of money into something that I could just reach over and flip on my own. So that's what I'm thinking about using. I could change my mind in the near future, but I think that's what I'm going to go with right now. Getting a little off subject here, but I have these freight waybills from Micromark, and these help you have realistic operations. So these cards right here have two sides. So you have your consignee, address, routing, via, shipper, address, lading. So what this means is basically I've narrowed it down where the consignee is the person that's going to get the car. Address is where it's located on your layout. Routing, like north, south, east, west. Via is from the previous location of the car, and address from where it is. So if you have multiple lines, railroads on your layout, you will have the layout where shipper is, and lading is the type of car and how it will be loaded. So next, I have these engine cards. So you basically put the number, road, type, DCC address. I don't have DCC. I have Lionel Legacy, so I just skip over that. I haven't actually filled one of these out yet because I haven't had to use them, but these are great cards. Next we have the car card, and it looks like this. The kind of car, I just skip over that. Railroad and number, easy. Description to help you identify it on your layout. And I don't use the empty car card because I don't have a big enough layout to actually sort of lose my freight cars. But it looks great. I love how they set it up. It's super easy. You fold it and tape it. And in the end, it looks like this right here. So I have my kind air slide hopper, railroad number CSX 2010-24, description cream color, and it is going to CSX interchange, which is just a siding on my layout, and it's located in Linden. It's going north, and the place that it just came from, which is the industry, is Valley Flour, and address is Valley. So, and then this is 2. So once you get it there, you flip it over to 3, and since I haven't filled these out, you just put it back to 1, slide it in the pocket, and now it's ready to go back to Valley Flour, in Valley, routing south via CSX interchange, and address is Linden. So it's super easy. So I basically came up with the names for this card and on my layout, but on the new layout I will have permanent cities and towns. So this card will be thrown away and I can keep this one because this one is accurate. So that is all I have to talk to you about the MicroMark car cards, and it helps you with a realistic operation. You can do it any way you want to. I'm not telling you how to do it in your own, just do it in your own way and enjoy it. I don't know if I've shown this in a video yet, but this is my dad's model of a Syncrude 495 HF, and it's a Bucyrus. It is a huge machine used in mines, and other places that has to have a lot of materials moved. I might do a review on this. Comment down below what you think. I'll try my best to review it, but it's sort of getting off the subject of trains, but it is 150 scale, so it goes with the O scale models and stuff. So I will have a coal mine on the new O scale layout, but this will take up a lot of space, but I plan to still use it. Thanks, guys, for watching, and I'll see you next time. Trains Unlimited, out.